Hello students. Today HTML command I will show you how to use marquee. Today I will show you the marquee. Very interesting of things marquee. Okay. So I have already make the file. I am just going to open with where will go. If I open to the previous commands, you know that open with then notepad. These are the options. Previous command it will come. You have seen last day I have applied the size, okay, of the text, change style of the text. These I have applied. Okay. Now next today I will show you the another one, that is marquee. Okay, it is very interesting. I will show you. You can see the marquee options is there, that is marquee. Okay, I am writing that is one. Open and close the marquee tag because I have to write inside the marquee. What I will do, the our school name, only the school name will come from the marquee options. Okay, you can see. So what the command of marquee, then name, and after that marquee close the tag. Just look at here, I am doing the same options. Okay, now I have go open the browser. Just follow this one. The name is coming from right to left. School name is coming St. Paul School. You can see this one coming. Okay, you can see it is coming from the right to left. Okay, now I will increase size. What to do? Font size, what? Okay, first of all I will do change the color, bg color. Marquee also bg means background color, you know. Bg color is equal to I gave yellow. This bg color where I am writing inside the marquee tag. Remember, inside the marquee tag I am writing. So marquee background color will come for not full page. Okay, see, just refresh. Now you can see the marquee one. Now you can see the background color yellow came and text color the black. Okay, so these are the background where not full page, background the marquee tag. Okay, now I will show you the font color. So last class you have seen the how to change the font color. So same thing I will write the font color. This tag I will write font color red. Suppose font color red I am writing here. So what to do here? Here I will write the font color. I am going to write font colors red. Okay, then size, here I have to close the font tag. This font tag I will close. Clear? Now just you see font color I have given red, and in background color yellow, font color red. Just see this one yellow background, and now font color, just follow the school name font color what can. If you change the color, if you want to, instead of red, if you want to give the blue color, you can do it. I am erasing red, I am writing blue. Okay, now blue, save it, refresh, blue color came. Now if you increase the size, size you will give the more size equal to 4 I gave. Okay, now save it, go refresh, see. Now if you want to change the style, you can do it. Okay, more size increase, you want 6 if you want to give 6. Color I think color I gave here red. Save, refresh, just look at here. It is marquee tag. It's called the marquee tag. Okay, red color of this full name. So I hope you understood. After that you will write your name, whatever you are. Okay, remember you should close the marquee tag. Okay, then you write name is equal to like this, whatever you want to write, name. Okay, name, then Ipshita Mandal. Okay, save it, refresh, name came down, Ipshita Mandal. More if you want to give, whatever you want to do here, no problem. Copy, paste it. More gap if you want to give, save it, refresh, this name came down. These are the if you want to give the middle positions, what to do? Before the name you will write the center. Okay, center if you will write that, it will come the center positions, name, center, close the center. You see the center position came, Ipshita Mandal, center position came. Okay, so I hope you understood this class. You will do practice of full things. These are the tag, these are the programming I have written. You will write in your copy. Okay, so follow